Hey everyone, Chegg has been always on the top when it comes to earning online from tutoring or from answering questions. I have already made a video on Chegg Tutors and Chegg Q&A Expert. Talking about Chegg Tutors makes no sense now because they have recently shut their operations. Many of my subscribers are earning 20 to 25,000 per month as Chegg Q&A Expert. For more details, you can watch this video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Chegg TBS Expert, which is different from Chegg Q&A Expert. So today I'm going to tell you what is the difference between Chegg Q&A Expert and Chegg TBS Expert, which is better, how you can apply as Chegg TBS Expert and who can apply to this. Also, what are the subjects available for answering questions. So be with me. My name is Trilekha. I make videos on English lessons, work from home ideas, personality development and lot more, and you're watching my channel Lot to Learn. So before I move ahead, if you're watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon where it is written all, because most of my subscribers are not getting my videos, latest videos. I think they have not pressed the bell icon properly. So make sure you hit the bell icon where all is written. Now let me tell you what is the difference between Chegg Q&A Expert and Chegg TBS Expert. Chegg Q&A Expert and Chegg TBS Experts are two ways of earning money on Chegg India. Now, when you work as Chegg Q&A Expert, you solve live questions posted by students. When you work as Chegg TBS Expert, TBS means textbook solution. They give you certain questions from the chapter of a particular book. These books are mostly US based textbooks. While answering to these questions, you will have to provide step-by-step solution in Word, MS Word. So handwritten solutions are not acceptable here. So whatever graph, diagram or whatever image you want to add to your answer, you have to do it in MS Word. So for this work, you will need a laptop or a desktop. Plagiarism is strictly not allowed here. Plagiarism means copy-pasting. Now coming to who can apply as Chegg TBS Expert. You might have watched in other videos that you can apply to Chegg TBS Expert only if you're already working as Chegg Q&A Expert. But that's not true. Here is the proof. So you can apply for Chegg TBS Expert even if you're not working as Chegg Q&A Expert. In fact, you can do both the work simultaneously. Undergraduates can apply. Then you will apply, and if you're undergraduate, you will be asked to submit your student ID or mark sheet. Then they will need PAN card, mobile number, and this is not for only undergraduates, okay? PAN card, mobile number and bank detail will be needed for even graduates, and these all things should be in your name. So PAN card should be registered in your name. Here is the list of subjects for which you can solve questions here. Now what is better? Which is better? Chegg Q&A Expert or Chegg TBS Expert? Honestly speaking, if you compare earning wise, both are equal. The rate per question would vary 100 to 160 in both, whether you work as Chegg TBS Expert or whether you work as Chegg Q&A Expert. But yes, working as Chegg TBS Experts requires more dedication and practice because everything you have to do in MS Word. So uploading images, uploading graph and solving maths equations, everything has to be done in MS Word. But it's not like if you're not good in computers, if you're not good with these things, you cannot work here. They will help you, they will guide you if you need it. You will get a coordinator with whom you can coordinate about your work. And yes, there will be definitely quality check for your answers. One more thing is there with Chegg TBS Expert, you will get certain number of questions at once. So I think it is around 10 questions at first time which you get. I'm not very sure about this. You have to check it. I'm going to give a link down in the description box to apply for Chegg TBS Expert. You can go and click on that link and then you can go ahead with your application. So coming to their registration process and how you can apply. So it is a 5-step process. The first thing you have to do is to register yourself, where you will fill your basic details. In the second step, you will have to go through their guidelines, okay, and there will be a guideline test. The test is comprised of 15 questions and you will get 3 attempts to clear that test. In the third step, there would be subject guideline test, and this test is comprised of 10 questions and you will get 2 attempts to clear it. In case you're not able to clear both the test in 3 attempts, in 2 attempts, then you can reapply here after a month. Now in fourth step, they will verify your degree, and at last in the fifth step, they will verify your documents, that is PAN and bank details, etc. So go ahead and apply here. Chegg is legitimate website. If you're already working here, do share your experience for others. It will help others, and do let me know in the comments how did you find this video and your views about this video. Thank you so much for watching me.